Okay, so practical 9 is related with the doubly linked list. Okay, so till that practical we have discussed. Okay, now moving towards the next practical, that is circular doubly linked list. Okay, so we are aware with the doubly linked list. Now if we want to implement the circular doubly linked list, it is a bit easy for you people to implement that experiment, right? So what we are trying to do, that first we'll discuss last practicals which is related with the sorting and searching, and then we'll discuss the tree concept. Okay, and circular doubly linked list, that practical is in your self study, right? We need to discuss. You have to write any 10, any 8 practicals, right? So till 9 practical you had already submitted that practicals. Okay, so first we'll complete the last practicals which is related with the sorting and searching. Okay, and then we'll moving towards this circular doubly linked list as well as the tree program. Okay, so because you all are aware with the doubly linked list, so that practical is bit easy for you to implement. Okay, only two links you need to change: last node, next part, and first node, previous portion, right? That two link you need to change whenever you want to implement the practical number 10. So let me share my screen. Okay, so we have discussed till this 9 number practical. Okay, so what we are planning, so we first need to complete this 12, 13, 14, and 15 practical. Okay, so for this practicals we must have to complete the algorithm first and then the implementation. Okay, so what we are planning, that in our syllabus, this chapter is here in the chapter number 5, sorting and searching. Okay, so first we'll discuss in this lab, we'll discuss the sorting and searching implementation. Okay, and then we'll moving towards the next one. Or you required to implement this doubly linked list circular queue, sorry, circular doubly linked list. Yes, I'm asking to you. Okay, last part is remaining, which is related with the deletion operation. Yes, Nancy? Okay, so let first discuss that many things. Okay, let me open that practical, and you all need to open that practical number 9. Till insertion operation, I guess we had discussed. Okay, so now we're going to discuss the deletion operation. So let me open that practical and then we'll moving towards the next one. Okay. Okay, so first let me share the screen and then we'll discuss the searching operation in doubly linked list. Okay. Okay, so I guess till this we had discussed this many things. Insert first, insert last, delete last, and display. Yes, clear? So now we'll going to discuss searching operation first. Yeah. Okay. So how you can search a particular data, okay, from your linked list. Okay. So what we are trying to do that we just need to find out that value according to the position, right? So what we have to do, so first we need to take some values from the user. So according to that, we just need to take that value from the user, like please enter the value. So we can find it in a particular doubly linked list. Okay. So for this, we are trying to write the search operation node star head node is required because we are trying to search that data from first node to the last one. Okay. Now same thing we have to define over here in this list also. Define case number 4 over here. What we require? First head node comma value. Okay, but before it, we must have to take that value from the user. So what we have to write? We just need to take that value in val variable. So printf enter value nf percentage d comma n percent npm. Okay, and according to this, it will work. Okay. Now go in this search operation. So first of all, what we have to do, we must have to start searching from first node. But we need to check that is my linked list is empty or not. Okay. So what we are trying to do? We are just declaring one variable type of node star ptr. We don't require to move our head variable, but instead of that head variable, we are trying to move our temporary variable. Now, if my head is equal null, what you have to do? Printf. Now, else what we have to do? We must have to move our data from that position. Sorry, our pointer from that position to next one. So we must have to use while condition. Write down that while condition over here. Done. Okay, completed. Okay, clear. So now I'm writing this while, okay, while my PTR is not equal to null, what you have to do? You need to check. What you have to check, like PTR of data part is equal value or not. If so, if a PTR of data is equal value, then you need to print the position, that at which position I can find the value, like first node, second node, third node, fourth node, right? So how we can check that is available at this position or not? Yes, so what we have to do, we are just trying to declare one variable, integer location. Okay, so now here in this, we are trying to print that location. So printf value found at percentage %d, comma. Okay, so at this location, I can find this value. Now, if my value is not found, then what happened? So how we can identify that value is found or not? So for that, we are just trying to declare one more variable. Location, I am starting with 1. F is equals to 0 first. I'm assigning. Okay. and inside this I'm trying to make my flag equals to 1. Okay, so what it means, like if value is found, then flag will become 1. So if my value flag value is equals 0, then I can't found my value. Okay, now what you have to do, now first node is not your value, now you're incremented with 1. Okay, so your pointer will incremented with 1, so next value will be checked with your val. So according to this, my location must be incremented with 1. Now my pointer is coming at the second node, so location must be incremented with 1, like node number 2. Okay, so for that what we have to do, ptr is equals to ptr of next as well as location plus plus. Okay, till starting from first node to last node, we have to perform this many thing. Okay, now if my f variable is equal 0, that means if your flag is equal 0, you can say like printf value not found. Okay, now try to implement it first. Will it work or not? I'm giving you 5 more minutes to complete it. Okay, then we'll move towards the next one. Okay, completed. Okay. Okay, so in this practical, this searching operation, you can also find out the total number of uh, available nodes. Like in my particular link doubly linked list, how many nodes are available? Yes. Okay. So now let me check the next operation. Okay, delete at position. Like if I'm providing position, right, and then you need to find out delete at particular positional value. Like I'm giving 2, then second position value will be deleted. Okay, so next. So if they will ask that insert at a particular position, so where I in this practical you can change some values and you can do it with insertion. Okay, what you need to do, first you need to identify the position, how can you count the position and all those stuff, right? So for deletion operation I will help you. If they will ask for insertion in examination, it will easy for you to insert a particular location. Okay, I mean position, not location. You can say position. Okay, so here in this case number 5, case number 5, that case is related with my, you can say, delete at position. Okay, so in this practical, what we are trying to do, so we are just trying to delete a particular node. Okay, so first of all, how many things we require? So first we require head node to start searching from that node. Okay, then second thing what we require the particular location, that at this location I want to find out these, I want to delete this node. Okay, so first what we have to do, we need to write down the position, like sorry, not over here, head equals to delete at position head comma location value. Clear? So these things we require. So according to this function call, we can write our function data. Okay, so what we are trying to do, printf enter position and percentage d. If I'm missing something, then inform me. Okay, declare your location variable. Mhm. And create one more menu over here. Printf I delete at position. Okay. Okay. Now try to write the code for deleted position. Why we require return type as a node star? Because whenever we have, you can say the deletion operation, right? It may be possible that some user wants to delete the first position data. So my head node will be going to delete. Okay, if my head node is going to be deleted, then next node would you can say would be act as a head node. Okay, so now I need to return some head node value. Like previously this node will be worked as, this node has worked as head node, but now that node is deleted, now I am become the head node. Okay, so that's why I require to give the return type as node star. Delete at position node star head comma detail location. Okay, so first we need to search that position. So how we can start it? So for that particular thing, we require temporary variable, right? Because we must have to check, na, like from first position, first node to second, third. So we can't move our head node position. So we just need to move the temporary variables value. So every time we require this node star ptr is equals to head. Clear? Okay. Okay. So now we are first finding like if my linked list is empty or not. So this is too easy. See if in examination they will ask related with this, like you have to check that linked list is empty or not. So now I am thinking like you all are be clear with that, like how we can check the linked list is empty or not, how we can move our pointer from head node to the last node, how we can find the last node value, which one is the last node, how we can find it. So I think there is no any confusion. Yes, am I clear with that two questions? लास्ट नोड फाइंड कैसे करना है, अपने पॉइंटर को फर्स्ट से लास्ट तक लेके कैसे जाना है, सर्च कैसे करना है, लिंक लिस्ट में कोई वैल्यू है कि नहीं कैसे चेक करना है, लिंक लिस्ट नल है कि नहीं. आई थिंक वहां तक तो आपकी मार्क्स कट नहीं होनी चाहिए. यस, क्लियर. 13 students, so you need to replay over here. Every time we are just saying the same thing in every functions, so that's why I am asking. 3 students are only present over here. See, lab is for every student, so you need to replace. Pal, Janvi, Ruti, Kushal, Forum, Harshit, other students. मैडम नाम बोले तो रिप्लाई कर सो. जानवी, पार्थ, पूजा, वैभव. हाँ, गुड. ओके. सो क्या लिखना पड़ेगा मुझे यहाँ पे? चलो बताओ क्या लिखेंगे हम. मुझे चेक करना है लिंक लिस्ट एम्प्टी है कि नहीं है. Very good, Parth. So I'm just copying your code, so I don't require to write that. Yes. If my head is equal null, you can say your linked list is empty. Very good. Okay. So now what you have to do? Now, suppose some user or you can say in the time of running, someone entered that I want to delete the first position value. Okay. So we have that condition with us, like delete first. Okay, so if someone enters that location equal to 1, we can directly call that. Maybe we have it. No, we don't have that delete first. We have only delete last. So assume something like we have that condition. Okay, हमारे पास delete first वाली condition है, ऐसा सोच लो. ठीक है? According to that, I am assuming. Okay, and we just need to call that delete first. ओके. सो क्योंकि हमने प्रीवियसली सारे क्वेश्चंस में वो किया है, बट यहाँ पे वो रिक्वायर्ड नहीं था इसलिए मैंने इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करा. लाइक लोकेशन इज इक्वल 1, देन वी कैन राइट call the function delete first, okay, with a head. put it in, you can say this one. Okay, otherwise it will give you the error. Like delete first वाला program, oh sorry, function तो है ही नहीं, क्यों call कर रहे हो, right? So you can implement it, okay? It's simple. Now else में हम क्या करेंगे? जब तक मेरा कोई एक वेरिएबल इज नॉट इक्वल टू पोजीशन नहीं हो जाता, तब तक मुझे मेरे पॉइंटर को, पीटीआर को फर्स्ट नोड से उस लोकेशन तक लेके जाना है, ठीक है? सो फॉर दैट वी रिक्वायर वन वेरिएबल सी which is starting with 1. Okay, so here what we have to do, we first need to identify like while my ptr is not equal to null, right, as well as my count is not equal to location, right? What you have to do, you must have to move your pointer from that position to the next one. Okay, so ptr is equals to ptr of next. Clear? Now we require to increment the count variable. Okay, now first complete it and then we'll move with the next one. Okay, so now we'll moving towards the else condition. Okay, so in else what we have to do, see this is inside my else part, huh? This is everything is inside my this else part. Like if your position is found over here, so what we have to do, so first of all we must have to give the link, like whatever is the my node's next node will become the next of my previous node. Okay, like if we have 4, 5 and 6 with us, something like this. If I want to delete this 5, so now your 6 will be linked with your 4. Okay, so this link we need to build it. So what we have to do for that, so first of all, whatever the value is present in my ptr of next, right, that value I have to copy it in एंड विच वेरिएबल। तो जो भी मेरे पीटीआर के प्रीवियस का नेक्स्ट है, दैट मीन्स पीटीआर का प्रीवियस मतलब ये वाला नोड, ठीक है, उसके नेक्स्ट में वो वैल्यू इनपुट करनी है मुझे। पीटीआर का प्रीवियस उसका नेक्स्ट, क्लियर? राइट नाउ, okay, so now you can say that ptr of previous का next, अब जो भी मेरे next में था वो बन गया, right? Okay, now one more condition, like if ptr of next is not equal to your null, right? Till that time what you have to do, ptr of next ka previous is equals to ptr of previous. ptr of next का previous अब बन जाएगा ptr का previous. Now I can write free ptr. Node is deleted. Yes. Now Clear? I'll move towards the next one. Or do you require extra time to complete it? Okay, you can try run this code, and if you are facing any error, then inform me. Okay, I'm giving you 5 more minutes to complete it. Okay, okay. Now, if someone said that you need to delete the node before specified position, right? So, what you are going to do in that situation? So, you just need to find out the particular node using the count and position variable, or maybe the location variable, right? According to this, you just need to merge these two functionalities. First, searching, and the second one, this deleted position, right? So according to this, if I am finding that value or position, before that position, whatever the value is there, you need to delete it. And we have two pointers with us, next as well as the previous. So according to that previous and next pointers value, we can find out that node, as well as we can delete it, and as well as we can give the you can say link also. Okay, so completed. At least give some acknowledgement over here so that we can move towards the next one. Try to run this code, and if you're finding any error, then just inform me. Okay, without any error. Okay, very good. Other students? Okay, I want the status of your program. Either say done or doing so I can verify it. Okay. Okay, okay. Once you finished, just inform me, okay? Write done over here so that we can move towards the next one. Okay? Nancy, just wait, okay? Which function you want to verify? Nancy? Okay. So now we can move towards the sorting and searching algorithm. Okay. So first, okay, most of the students have already completed this question. Okay. Okay. So now we can move towards the sorting and searching algorithms and implementation. Okay. So let me open that first. Okay, so in which chapter we had discussed the searching algorithm? If we have one value with us, we require to implement this binary search first. Okay, so you need to tell me that we had discussed this binary search algorithm in, you can say, one of the chapter, right? So we had already discussed first what is the searching. Write your answer over here. What is searching? Yes, I am asking to you people, what is searching? I'm not asking about anything which we didn't discuss till now, right? We had already discussed this many things. What is searching, as well as the implementation or how to complete your binary search, we had already discussed. So you need to give me the replay. What is searching? Yes, am I audible to you? Hello? Yes, I'm perfectly audible to you. You need to give me the replay. What is searching? Yes, finding a desired element in a set of items. Okay. Any other? Okay, no issue. I guess you are aware or not with this situation. I don't know, but we had discussed that things. So first we have a sequential search. Okay, let me share that particular screen. Okay, sequential search and binary search. Okay, so in chapter number 5 we have major two topics with us. First one known as sorting. That means we need to identify some of the methods, different kinds of methods which is used to identify, not identify, but used to arrange your data in a particular manner, like in ascending order or in a descending order. Okay, so we have that condition with us in sorting. Okay, and the second condition, that is searching. So if we have an array with us and we want to find some particular data in that defined array, what we are trying to do, we have two things with us. First, we are just trying to implement that kind of data using sequential manner. That means starting from first position to the last position, we are trying to find we are trying to just match our data with each other. Okay, our value with area of zeroth element, our value with area of first element, our value with area of second variable, right? And find out the particular position, like position number 5 is your desired value. Okay, now the second thing, if we have a sorted array with us, and if we want to find out the particular data, then it will be bit easy using this binary search. Now what are the conditions in the binary search? So we had already discussed at that time, like we have a sorted array with us, and according to that sorted array, what we are trying to find, we are trying to find the middle position. From that middle position, I am just dividing my array into two parts. First part is the lowest data, then your midpoint, and the right hand side data, which is the greater value than your midpoint. Okay, now if your entered value, you are searching for x. Okay, so if your x value is lesser than your mid pointer or mid value, then you need to find it in the left of your mid portion. And if your x value, you are searching for x, right? So your x is greater than your mid value, then you are finding that data into the right hand side of your array. Okay, so suppose we have 2, 3, 4 with us, 5 and 6. Okay, I am searching for, you can say 3. Okay, so what we are trying to do, we are just dividing our, you can say the array into two parts. This one is my middle portion. So if my 3 is equal mid, then it's fine for me. But it is not, you can say the perfect data. So this is your lower bound, 2 is your lower bound, and this is your upper bound. Okay, 6 is the upper bound and 2 is the lower bound. This one is your mid. 4 number is your middle position. Okay. Now, according to this, what we are trying to find? So we are trying to just find out the, we are searching for value 3. Okay, so match this 3 with mid. Is my 3 less than 4? If yes, then your 3 will become the upper bound and 2 will become as it is as a lower bound. Okay, clear? Here we have two value, but if we have more than two values, then your upper bound and lower bound will be something like your first value of your array, and middle minus one value. Okay, clear? And we are trying to divide it with 2 portion. Okay, so your lower bound plus upper bound divide by 2. That means I am one more time dividing my array into two parts. Okay, and then I will match my 3 with that middle one value. Okay, so this is your binary search. Okay, now here I am just providing you the algorithm of binary search, and according to this algorithm you need to you need to implement the program. Okay, now for binary search, what we have to do, first we require array, then we require lower bound, then we require upper bound, then we require value which is entered by user. We are searching for that value, and position. Okay, this many things we require. Okay, now according to this, step number one. What is step number one? First of all, you need to define some variables which is related with your upper bound and lower bound. Okay, so first I'm setting my b is equals to lower bound, right, and my e is equals to upper bound. Okay, yes, as well as my position variable is equals to -1. Okay, now what you have to do, according to this, you need to repeat some step. Which kind of step? So first you need to find out the middle one value. How you can find out the middle one value? So lower bound plus upper bound divided by 2 is equals to mid. Now mid is equal to my value or not? Is my value is less than mid or greater than mid? So that many steps you need to repeat. Okay, so in step number 2, you need to write the algorithm, but you can directly implement the program. So if you are aware with this, okay. While till my lower bound is less or equal to my upper bound, till that time you need to repeat some steps. Which kind of step? That we will see. Step number 3. Now what you have to do, you need to find out the middle one value. So your mid is equals to your lower bound plus upper bound divide by 2. Okay, now step number 4. Now I have a middle value with me. Now what we have to do, area of mid value is equal my searched value. Then what you have to do, you just need to set your position is equals to mid, as well as print the position, like data is found here. So till now, any doubt? Any student having any doubt till now? What we are performing in this algorithm? Yes, any doubt in this? Okay. So what we are trying to do, like we are searching some values from the given array, and my array is in the sorted manner: 7, 8, 9. To this side. for this side. So my 6 will become the mid. This one is my lower bound. This one is my upper bound. Okay. Now what we are trying to do, like हम पहले सबसे पहले क्या कर रहे हैं, मुझे कुछ वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है इस अवेलेबल एरे में से. नाउ हाउ कैन वी फाइंड दिस वैल्यू? सो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे कि इस मीड से इस एरे को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देंगे. लाइक इफ वी हैव सीक्वेंशियल सर्च तो हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट से लेके लास्ट तक टर्न बाय टर्न सारी एलिमेंट्स को चेक करेंगे. बट इफ वी आर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द सेकंड कंसेप्ट व्हिच इज रिलेटेड विद योर बाइनरी सर्च, उसमें हम क्या करें, इस अपर बाउंड और लोअर बाउंड को प्लस करके डिवाइड बाय 2 कर रहे हैं, मतलब कि मिडिल एलिमेंट फाइंड कर रहे हैं. अब यहाँ से देखो, मिड के लेफ्ट में सारी उनसे छोटी वैल्यूज है और राइट में उनसे सब वैल्यूज उनसे बड़ी. तो हम क्या करें कि इफ आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर माई नंबर 3, राइट, देन हम इस 3 को 6 के साथ मैच करेंगे. क्या वो इनसे छोटा है? यस. तो अब हम क्या कर देंगे, मिड के आगे वाला जो भी वेरिएबल है दैट इज 5, अब वो अपर बाउंड हो जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि अब मेरा 3 ये लोअर बाउंड से लेके मिड के आगे वाली वैल्यू तक के कहीं पे भी होगा, क्योंकि ये 6 से लेस है, दैट्स व्हाई. ठीक है. अब सेम कंडीशन हम यहाँ पे भी अप्लाई करेंगे कि लोअर बाउंड प्लस अपर बाउंड डिवाइड बाय 2 करो. चलो यहाँ से दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दो, 4 5 and 2 3. Now your 3 is less than your mid value. Suppose my mid is equals to 5. So mid के आगे की वैल्यू को हम अपर बाउंड बना देंगे. अब ये चला गया, अपर बाउंड ये नहीं है, ना ही अब ये है. ठीक है. अगर आपकी वैल्यू मिड से लेस है देन मिड -1 विल बिकम योर अपर बाउंड. और अगर इफ वी आर फाइंडिंग फॉर 9 देन योर value is always available after your 6, after your mid value. So यहाँ पे तो मेरा upper bound था ही. अब क्या करेंगे, now my 9 will always come inside or in between this 7 to 9, not more than that. ना ही इसके आगे होगा ना ही इसके पीछे होगा, क्योंकि अपर बाउंड तक ही चेक करोगे. प्लस मिड के साथ तो चेक कर ही लिया है, मिड के इक्वल नहीं है, दैट मीन्स मिड के नेक्स्ट वेरिएबल से लेके अपर बाउंड तक. तो अब इस 7 को हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें, तो मिड +1 आपका लोअर बाउंड हो जाएगा. सो लोअर बाउंड प्लस अपर बाउंड डिवाइड बाय 2. क्लियर नैंसी? ओके. ओके. नाउ ये क्या किया हमने, मिड वैल्यू में मिड की पोजीशन पे जो भी वैल्यू है उनसे अगर मेरा ये 3 मैच करता है तो हम उसको प्रिंट कर देंगे कि इस पोजीशन पे आपकी वैल्यू है और ये दोनों वैल्यू इक्वल है. बट अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो भी हमें कुछ चेक करना पड़ेगा. मतलब इफ योर एरिया ऑफ मिड इज ग्रेटर देन योर वैल्यू, तो हमें क्या करना होगा, किसको हमें अपर बाउंड बनाना होगा. इफ योर mid is greater than your value, our case this is the same case, 6 is greater than 3, तो हमें क्या करना होगा, अपर बाउंड की वैल्यू सेट करनी है. हाउ वी कैन सेट आवर अपर बाउंड वैल्यू, सो वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सेट एंड वैल्यू इज इक्वल्स टू मिड -1. मतलब अब यहां से स्टार्ट करो, दिस विल बिकम योर अपर बाउंड. 5 से 2 तक में चेक करना है. समझाई छे શું કહું છું? Am I clear with this point? Other students, I want replay. Yes. અત્યારે તો કઈ ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ નથી કરતા ને, તો તમે રિપ્લે કરી શકો. Yeah, good. Okay. And if my mid is less than my value, तो हमें क्या करना होगा? Now this is the second case. Else E of mid is less than my VAL. Now I will not provide you the solution. You need to give me the answer. चलो अब ये यहाँ पे मुझे क्या लिखना होगा? ओके नैन्सी, E इक्वल्स टू मिड प्लस 1 नहीं लिख सकते ना हम, क्योंकि E क्या दिखाता है आपका? अपर बाउंड. मतलब अपर बाउंड तो वही रहेगा. अगर मुझे 7 से लेके 10 तक आइडेंटिफाई करना है तो अपर बाउंड तो यही रहेगा. हमें लोअर बाउंड सेट करना होगा, मतलब कि बिगिनिंग, बिगिनिंग से स्टार्ट करके एंड तक. ठीक है, तो हमें क्या लिखना होगा? सेट माय बिगिनिंग इज इक्वल्स टू मिड प्लस 1. क्लियर? ये ई आपका क्या बताता है? एंड पॉइंट. सो दिस इज फॉर एंड पॉइंट एंड दिस इज फॉर बिगिनिंग पॉइंट. ओके, क्लियर? ना यहाँ पे मेरा इफ कंप्लीट हो गया, यहाँ पे मेरा while कंप्लीट हो गया. No need to write this, huh? This is only for our convenience. यहाँ पे if कंप्लीट किया, यहाँ पे while, अब स्टेप नंबर 5 में क्या करेंगे? Now step number 5 is if my position is same like -1, okay, then what will happen? Then every time you can say your value is not found. And step number 6, while this, repeat step 3 and step number 4. Yes, 3 and 4. Okay, now try to implement it. So first what you have to do? First you need to take the elements from the user, and if you are not aware how to sort your element, what you can do, you can just take the data into sorting manner only. Okay, that you can just print message like enter the data in a particular ascending order only. Okay, then you need to take the data from user, that value which is going to be searched, right? Then according to that value you need to write the while condition, and then if condition. Completed. Okay, how many of you have completed? Yes, I'm providing you the hint. So over here, what you have to do first, bring back, sorry, for loop to take the elements from the user. Okay. Uh, which is in the sorted on order, okay, ascending order. Now step number one is this. And what you have to do, according to that value, you need to take the date value from the user, like printf, enter a value for search, okay, scanf val. Okay. Now next step, assign your end and begin variable. So your b is equals to 0th position, and your e equals to your total n minus 1. Okay. Now, as we had discussed, while b is less than or equal to e, first middle is equals to b plus e divided by 2, and if condition, if my a of need and all those conditions, need to write like step number 3 and 4. Okay, then while is completed over. Okay, clear? What am I trying to say you is, okay, let me ask you one by one. Okay, Akansha, completed? Yes, you can write your answer over here in the chat. Okay, Bhavik, I guess you are too late in the session, so I'll not provide you the attendance, okay? Yes, that means you have completed this question. Okay. Dwani. Okay. Forum. Harshit. Janvi. Completed. Good. Kushal. Okay, Janvi. Okay. Okay. Kirtan. Mhm. Kunal. Same is applicable to you also. You are too late in the session, so I will not provide you the attendance of today's year. Okay. Pal. Parth. Rahul. Yes, Rahul. You too also. You are also late in the session, so I will not provide you the attendance. Ruti. Yes, Ruti is doing okay. Then Webber. Okay, and Rutvi. Okay, okay. Once you have finished this question, inform over here. Okay. Because this question we had already discussed, so this is too easy to implement. Okay, I hope you have completed this question. So now if you have completed this question, you can write over here so that we can move towards the next one. If you didn't complete it, then it's your homework. Okay. Now, is there any doubt in assignment one? You can implement, you can write it in a book and then you can just upload your PDF in Google Classroom. I will also create one, you can say the assignment in Classroom. So you can upload your PDF over that. As well as assignment two is so I'm just going to upload it within today or tomorrow. It will also contain only 5 questions. Maybe yes, 5 questions. So it will not that much. You can set up. So you can also upload that also. And if you have doubt in that assignment one and two, you can ask me. Okay. So now you can write your enrollment number over here for the attendance purpose. Okay. Is there anyone who cannot write the number?